The former Prime Minister Tuilaepa sa Ililimanilingoi is facing defamation charges and is yet to enter a plea to the charges. The complainants are Prime Minister Tuilaepa Fosi Schmidt and the Minister of Education Aiono Alec Ekiroma. The matter was caught before the District Court. Judge Papali'i Rosella Papali'i, who informed the prosecution that she has another complaint by Molio'o Andrew Mowat before her. The prosecution, however, said he was only aware of La'auli and Aiono's complaint and not Molio'o. He then asked for a 2 weeks adjournment so they could finalize the charges against Tuilaepa. The court granted the adjournment and the matter to be recalled in the first week of May. The court also made an order for Tuilaepa not to post any more comments on social media against the complainants. For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamo.com. This is Ginny Benehuro of Talamo Media.